ready to produce. So let me show you how our process starts. Today I'm going to take you to our cutting room. And as you might know, the cutting room is the backbone of the apparel industry. And here we are in the beautiful Dolcezza Factory. And as you can see, there's a model that quite looks like me, but I don't know. And here we are in the famous cutting room, where I'm surrounded by the experts of the world in cutting. And all these men are working really hard to get your garment just in time back in the stores before the season starts. And you might remember this print because you ordered this. It was one of our best sellers of spring 24, and it's now ready to be cut by our Dolcezza experts.